Let's see how to move an image in Microsoft Word. First, we want to open Microsoft Word. Then, we want to go over to the Insert tab and click on Pictures. From here, we can choose where to get the pictures from. For example, we want to insert this stock photo of a glass of wine. Now we have our picture, but we want to move it. However, it won't move, as you can see here. To move an image, click the small box here and click any option under the with text wrapping. The square option will wrap text in a square border around the image. The tight option will wrap text tightly around it. The through option will allow text to flow around irregular parts of the image. The top and bottom option will put text only above and below the image. The behind text option will put the image behind the text, while the in front of the text option will put the image in front of the text. And that's how to move an image in Microsoft Word. See you soon!